So basically, CE marking is a process where you, the first steps in the CE marking process is basically to find the legal requirements, directives, regulations, and then try to figure out how do I comply with these, with what standards do I need to comply with, which standards do I use for this product, and then thirdly is, do I need a notified body? Notified body is a test institute, you might say, that are accredited to do certificates or certifications of products according to certain standards. And there are only a few product types that need this. Most products do not need a third-party certificate. They would only go for what is called self-declaration or self-certification, which is the most common way. And that is actually the core of CE marking as it is, because CE marking means that the manufacturer takes responsibility and liability of the product. And that is, even if you use a third-party test institute or notified body, you still, as the manufacturer, take responsibility of the product that you sell.